Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x8007045A, error DLL INIT failed when you try to update Windows, and please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution will be to reset Windows Update components. And for this, you need this script. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution in catroot2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart the services. So anything that is associated with Windows updates will be resolved with this solution. But if the issue is with the DLL itself, then an SFC scan will be very helpful. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.